Indian economy is not growing, it's booming. When one country's economy is booming, it means country is progressing financially. जब एक country आगे बढ़ती है तो it implies businesses are growing. It also implies कि लोग पैसे वाले बन रहे हैं. जब लोग पैसे वाले बनते हैं तो लोगों के पास पैसा आता है तो उन पैसों को मैनेज करने वालों की डिमांड बढ़ती है. It implies, it means फाइनेंस प्रोफेशनल की डिमांड बढ़ेगी. नॉट ओनली फाइनेंस प्रोफेशनल बट अलॉन्ग विद फाइनेंस प्रोफेशनल अकाउंटिंग, मैनेजमेंट अकाउंटिंग, टैक्सेशन, ऑडिट, इन सारे प्रोफेशंस की डिमांड बढ़ती है. टू बिकम दिस प्रोफेशनल्स देयर आर मेनी ग्लोबल सर्टिफिकेशंस आर अवेलेबल लाइक CMA US, CFA US, ACCA UK, FRM US, CPA US, which are generally easy to pursue. These are short duration courses, globally recognized in 150 plus countries. A higher passing percentage. Unique Academy has legacy of teaching more than 150,000 students pan India. When global certifications are concerned, process is really important. At Unique Global Education, along with teaching, we also going to focus on corporate related skills, that is corporate grooming, which make you employable and unique. Whether you are from science, engineering, commerce, arts, MBA, BBA, any background doesn't matter. We will start from scratch and aim to achieve global education standards. So what you are waiting for? Start your global education journey with Unique Global Education.